Museum in Branson, Missouri. This is a popular tourist attraction that pays tribute to the ill-fated RMS Titanic. The museum is designed to resemble the actual ship and offers visitors a chance to step back in time and experience the history and tragedy of the Titanic. The museum is built to look like the Titanic, complete with a half-scale replica of the ship's bow, and this provides visitors with a sense of the grandeur and size of the original vessel. The museum houses a vast collection of artifacts recovered from the Titanic wreckage. These include personal belongings of passengers, ship fittings, and other items that provide a glimpse into life aboard the ship. The museum also focuses on the personal stories of the passengers and crew members, allowing visitors to learn about their lives, experiences, and the events leading up to the ship's sinking. It also features numerous interactive exhibits that allow visitors to engage with the history of the Titanic. You can explore recreated rooms, touch an iceberg, and even try to steer the ship. The museum offers interactive exhibits specifically designed for children, allowing them to learn about the Titanic in a fun and engaging way. The museum has a memorial wall that lists the names of all the passengers and crew members who were aboard the Titanic. This serves as a tribute to those who lost their lives in the tragedy. This is the replica of the grand staircase of the Titanic. I hope you enjoyed watching the Titanic Museum video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more video updates. Thank you.